We're here to do a sound test of this Psardo Elite fitted with Kettlewell Resonant Covers. I actually have a collection of these. I have a Gregor Murray fitted with the covers and a Seidel Saxony. In this test, I'm going to play this acoustically, and I'm going to swap and put on those Psardo covers. These covers, the ones that are stock, these are from a gold bar, gold-plated, solid brass, and compare. But I do want to say that it's not really my thought that the Kettlewell Resonant Covers are going to greatly outperform the stock ones, because the Psardo covers are probably the most sophisticated cover that's available on a harp from a manufacturer. A lot of thought went into them, but they are different. This chamber, resonant chamber, is uniform from front to back. Okay? Kind of like what a Chamber Huang was. And so the chamber exists, but it's not fluted in any way. And it only covers a 2-reed span. Okay? Whereas the Kettlewell Resonant Covers, it is a acoustic chamber, which is about the equivalent of half of a bell of a trumpet, covering 4 holes, or 1 octave. 4 of them, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do, since I've got the covers on, why don't I go ahead and I'm just going to play it for you, and then I'm going to switch and I'm going to put the other covers on with that too. So, and I did bring my mic, because you probably are like, well, what's it going to sound like with a mic? So anyway, here's what this thing sounds like, you know, with Kettlewell Resonant Covers, made, designed and built by Russ Kammerer. And now with the microphone. So I'm going to now switch those covers. I'm going to put the video on hold, and when I come back, it'll be real quick to you, but I'll have those Psardo covers on and we'll do a sound test. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to pause it. We're back. And now we have the Psardo with the stock covers. Psardo Custom Elite, because this is not the cover that comes on an Elite. Those are nickel plated. These are gold plated solid brass instead of nickel plated solid brass. So here's the Psardo. And now with the microphone. I'm going to switch the covers out so you can see the process of doing that. Or actually, I'll do that in another video. But that completes the sound test of the two. and I hope you enjoyed it.